One super good news for TCS Wings 1 Associates, which is Elevate Wings 1 November 2025 cycle registration dates are opened. Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Nazi Tech Study. So Wings 1 November 2025 cycle registration survey is opened. Last date is 26 September 2025. So before starting the video, hit a like, subscribe and share. Press the bell icon to never miss any video updates. So cutoff dates for Wings 1 November 2025 assessment. IOL learning cutoff date is 26 September 2025. Registration cutoff date is same 26 September 2025. New elective external certification, which is Microsoft AWS GCP certification. End date will be 30th November 2025. Must reflect in system as acquired by 30th November 2025. Domain learning completion is also same 30th November 2025. So new external certification and domain learning completion is you have the time for up to 30th November 2025. IOL learning cutoff date and registration cutoff date is this month up to 26th of September. So unit elective internal UE, for this you need to connect with your unit TD for the cutoff date and the exam registration survey. So this is the registration link for November 2025 cycle. This link I will be provide you in the description. Post completion of this video you can go to that link. So eligibility criteria: appraisal band you should have A or B and anniversary rating 4 or 5 for freshers and newly joined associates who do not have appraisal band or anniversary rating. Only IOL learning completion will be considered for proctored assessment eligibility. So learning prerequisite, please refer to the IOL curriculum ID, which is for IT 15205 and ITIS you should have to go through the 15206 course. So almost all tracks involve both the learning path and direct assessment path. If you feel that you are already proficient in a given track, then instead of going through the learning content, you may directly take up the assessment, tag it towards the end of the course to mark the track as successfully completed. So if you know business skill or if you know core full stack T4 Java plus Spring Boot, then you can directly go through the assessment without reviewing the content. So these are the core full stack tech tracks. I will give you a brief description about what is in it. In T1 we have building modern web apps, which means front end technologies. It has HTML, Mount Stack, main stack is there. So in T2 it is like a data repository core full stack. T3 is like a intelligence bureau machine processes, and T4 is a Java plus Spring Boot and Python plus Django distributed ecosystem curriculum, and T5 is cloud related. T5 and T9 both are same digital infrastructure. So cybersecurity secure is the T7, and T12 is like a testing. For testing people should have to go through this T12, and core tech Wings 1 T13 data engineering and data visualization curriculum T13. Apart from this, in your domain, any of the technologies which is there like a T4, you can go to that T4. T14 and T15 are there, which is related to mainframe and cloud analytics, and business skill track 1 and track 2 articulation and process are non-electives. T17, T16 and LS UX are newly introduced. So note, if you want to pursue T16, which is enterprise application and platforms curriculum, and in T17 LS and UX tracks, so these tracks T17 LS and UX tracks, please connect with your unit TD. Separate registration survey will be launched by your unit TD for these tracks. Important note, the IOL learning completion will not reflect properly if you haven't clicked the register button for that curriculum. So in the curriculum, first if you belong to 15205, click on the register button for that course, and inside the tracks also you need to click on the register, then only your track will be considered for the offline exams. So if you have already started the learning, don't worry, please go ahead and register for the curriculum now. If you are ready to start that curriculum, then ensure you click the register button before you start. So as you are aware that it is important that you complete your IOL learning and fill the registration survey based on core tech tag recommendation by your BG business group or IOU. To view the BG unit specific track list, please visit the course ID 80840 under Wings 1 certificate ID 15205 14 15206. So in the eval you can search the 80840, choose your domain, which is like a domains are like banking, BFSI, retail, healthcare, like that domains are there. Choose your domain according to you and check this core full stack is present or not in your domain. If yes, you can proceed, or not you have to connect with the unit TD. So unit elective external certification. So external certification is taken for the step 2 completion. If you are taking up the unit external certification, please ensure that you upload the acquired certificate relevant for your unit in IVAL with necessary approval prior to the cutoff date. So cutoff date is 30th November 2025. You have to upload your certification. After completion of that, external certifications include Amazon, Microsoft, GCP, like that cloud based certifications are there. You should have to go through any one of them, and after completion of that exam you have to acquire that certificate before the 30th November 2025. It should be reflected in the system as acquired. So please visit the course ID 79841 under the Wings 1 certificate ID 15205 or 15206 to check the Wings 1 external certification recommended list for your BG business group. So according to your business group, you need to search the 79841, and if you are belong to BFSI, then check the BFSI external certification list, unit external certification list, and select any one of them. If there are any further queries on unit elective and external certification or internal unit elective, please get in touch with your unit TD. They would have all the details pertaining to your unit. So all the best for your Wings 1 assessment. So now we shall see, here are few things to keep in mind before you register. So in this video I will show you lively how to register for the Wings 1 November 2025 cycle. So some points you should have to consider, which is choose your tracks carefully, keeping in mind the registration guidelines. Associates are eligible to appear for only 2 tracks, which is like core full stack, and non-electives, which is like business skill 1, process, and articulation track is common for everyone in every cycle. So securing minimum pass score in articulation is mandatory requirement to qualify for digital high talent rewards. Securing distinction is mandatory for Innovator milestone. And the third most important point is completion of domain learning is mandatory to qualify for digital or Innovator milestone rewards. So any reward you want, digital, either digital or Innovator, you should have to complete the domain certification, which is found in Prerequisite. So hurry up, take up the survey and secure your seat before they run out. So registration closure date is, as you know, 26 September 2025 11:59 PM. So these are the eligible grades. If an associate, if you are promoted to C2 within a particular financial year, that means this 2025 and 2026, he or shall be allowed to continue Wings 1 curriculum and take up the next immediate cycle. For example, you have got the C2 promotion in this year, so in the next May cycle you are eligible. After the May cycle you are not eligible. So after one cycle, associate will no longer be eligible for Wings 1. So work performance, you should have to maintain A or B band in order to appear for the exam, receive the Elevate Wings 1 incentives. So after clicking on the description link, you will land to the Wings 1 IT or ITIS November 2025 registration survey form. So Wings 1 November 2025 registration survey for IT and ITIS. So first question, I am aware that HR actions ranging from termination of service or debarring from Wings 1 issuance of warning letter will be carried out for associates indulging in malpractice during the Elevate proctored assessments. I here confirm that I will take the Wings 1 assessment in a fair manner by abiding by the instructions, and that I will not involve myself in any kind of malpractice. So for that you need to click on agree here, and I am aware that it is considered as malpractice if the assessment is taken in an unproctored environment. Click on the agree. Do you wish to appear for the articulation track? Please note that minimum pass in articulation is a prerequisite to achieve digital milestone. Distinction is mandatory for Innovator milestone. So if you have already got minimum pass in articulation, then you should have to select one more S, because of distinction is required for Innovator milestones. So if you haven't, if you are trying for articulation first time, then also you have to choose S. So register for any one of the core full stack track 1. For now I am selecting the T4, which is like a Spring Boot, and register for any one of the below. In track 2 you should not select the same one. So here please do not register for the same track as in the previous one. So I have selected in previous one, I have selected the T4 Spring Boot. So in the track 2 I should not select the same track. Instead of, I can select the either business skill 1, 2 or process. So I am choosing the process. Please select the track for which you wish to take Innovator coding assessment. Please note that prerequisite to take up this challenge should be met. Prerequisite is pass or got distinction in that core full stack track in previous cycle. So in previous cycle, if you got pass or distinction, then you are eligible for the Innovator coding assessment. So for this I am selecting none of the above, because let us say I am a fresher, so I am registering for the Wings 1 first time. So I haven't gone through this core full stack in the last cycle, so I am selected as a none of the above. And another question, please select your preferred location to take up assessment, both MCQ and hands-on. Please ensure you select the correct location. It will not be changed post registration cutoff date. So this is a major problem solution. In the previous cycles, associates are deployment depot locations are different, and current their staying location is different. So lot of requests made by associate to the Wings 1 team, they have provided this option. This is a wonderful option. You can choose your TCS location according to your current location. So I have chosen TCS Hyderabad. Now you should have to click on submit. Okay, the submit is done. So if you have changed your mind, so process is already selected, but you would like to take business skill too, then what you have to do? Then simply you need to click on edit your responses and come here, select the required one. Again you need to select everything from scratch. Okay, this is the process, and finally you need to click on the submit. If you have any Wings 1 related doubts or queries, you can book a session with me. I will give you the link in the description. So if you are preparing for upcoming cycle, which is November cycle, if you require 1 month coaching, you can choose this plan. So basically you need a 3 months of preparation plan. So complete 3 months is enough for you to clear the Wings 1, 3 to 4 months maximum. If you are definitely want to crack the Wings 1 November 2025 cycle and you feel you require guidance, then definitely choose this plan. Definitely buy out this plan. It will result you very well. So if you are investing this amount 8 or 9 or 10 in the next after clearance of your digital, you will get the Wings 1 incentive 25,000 plus. So one time 9,000 investment, every month 25,000 plus benefits. So you need to consider this one. And if you require TCS Wings 1 super premium materials, then buy this plan. This is a digital product. So in this, all the core full stack and business skill to articulation process materials will be there. And if you require career guidance, then book a session here. So this is also the same 30 minutes. Ask me anything, which is a DM direct message, replied in 2 days. If you are not sure what is going to happen in your career, then book a 1:1 mentorship. I will connect with you. So other features are also there in our top paid page. You can go through that one. So this is all about registration process. If you like our video, then must do subscribe and press the bell icon. If you like our content, then do like, subscribe and share. We shall meet in another super latest video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.